Hello, students. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of articles in English. Let's learn together. Articles are words that denote whether a noun is specific or unspecific. A, an, and the are called articles. Now, let's learn the types of articles. First is definite articles. These articles are used to talk about specific nouns we already know. The main word to remember here is the. We use the before a specific place or thing. It can refer to something already mentioned. We use it for directions, regions, names of countries, rivers, historical sites, and major events. For example, the Taj Mahal, located in Agra, is an exquisite example of Mughal architecture and is considered one of the wonders of the world. And indefinite articles. These articles don't speak about specific nouns. Instead, they talk about anyone in a group. We have two indefinite articles, a and an. Uses of a. We use a before a noun that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a myriad of possibilities. Here, a emphasizes the vastness and variety of possibilities. A confluence of cultures converged in the city center. Here, a signifies the blending and merging of various cultures in the city center. Uses of an. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, even if the first letter is consonant. For example, an eerie atmosphere enveloped the haunted mansion. Here, an is used because eerie begins with a vowel sound. She wore an exquisite gown to the glamorous event. Here, an is used because exquisite begins with a vowel sound. Now it's your turn to answer. Give one example of a definite article. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.